I'm making rice pudding. Quick and easy. There's my rice over there in my pan. My pan is sprayed with the spray so it won't stick. And my rice is already cooked. It's 2 cups. I'm going to mix together 2 cups of milk, 2 eggs, a half a cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, almond extract, that's that right there, a little bit of cinnamon, I'm not too much on cinnamon, a dash or 2 of some nutmeg, even for on the top. And then I'm going to crush it and top it off with almonds. This is going to be an almond rice pudding. Quick and easy. Mix everything together, pour it in that dish, bake it for 25 minutes, 350 degrees, preheat oven. Yummy, yummy. Okay, it's done baking, and here we go. Okay, now I'm going to get ahead and mix it up. Make sure it's creamy. How creamy. Nice and creamy. Yeah. Almond rice pudding. Creamy almond rice pudding. Yummy, yummy. For the tummy.